Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be painting a small floral composition for which we need a sketchbook and a brush. Okay, you can use a mop brush or I will be using two brushes. This is the other brush I will be using. It is more on a rougher side. इसका मैंने बहुत over use कर दिया तो उसके bristles like everywhere. Okay, I'm using my dirty palette and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just sketching out where I will be putting my flowers. So I will be painting 3 flowers, 3 daisies I would say, and so I'm just circulating out कि okay इसका round shape इतना होना चाहिए, the circle should be like this much. So I'm just sketching it out for my reference. You can do it or you cannot do it, it's equal. Now I'm just using the shape of the brush to make the petals. Okay, just because I cannot just do on that side, so you move your sketchbook as per your convenience. Okay, I'm showing that you can do this way also. It's all legit. Okay, people do this is totally applicable. Okay, so just tip of the brush, pressure and the tip. Okay, हमें मेक श्योर करना है कि हम ज़्यादा टिप वाला कॉर्नर ना बनाएं, a little round shapes. Okay, don't make it too pointy. Okay, so this is just our like first flower. You can add colors later on as well on it. Okay, don't worry about it कि the colors are not coming out that good. आप कभी भी color इसमें add कर सकते हैं, not a hard and fast rule. Now we are going to the second one. Now I'm using a purple color and just the simple strokes. I'm using my brush shape as a petal. Okay, starting it with light, pressure, light. See, light, pressure, light. हल्के से स्टार्ट करना है, प्रेशर हल्का. देखिए, to get the point you need to just lose the control over the brush. Okay, I'm doing the same thing. पहले मैंने सारे एक चक्कर लगा दिया with all the dark colors and then one round of the lighter colors. Just add little water to the color and it will give you a little lighter color. Okay, just fill the whole flower. This is how we are doing it. Okay, adding a little bit more, like highlighting some of the petals, so just adding a little bit more purple over there. Simple. Okay, now I'm using my rougher brush. It will give you a little more thick petals, like the pointed mop brush is giving, because I have that fine line, so it's giving me a more fine petals. Now this is like a more overused brush, तो ये मुझे थोड़ी सी rough edges दे रहा है. It's giving me a little rough strokes. Okay, and also thick strokes. So I'm using the same method. Start light, pressure light. Okay, I'm using this. I'm just adding more color because थोड़ा सा सब mix हो गया, तो I'm just highlighting some of the petals. तो मैं थोड़ा सा color और add करके just highlighting some of it. Okay, now comes the leaves we need to paint. We're using the same technique. Okay, light and pressure and light. Okay, adding some hair in there just to fill the whole composition. Okay, some straight leaves also. Okay, if you haven't checked out the leaves tutorial, you should check it out. I have also posted that. Okay, then I'm just highlighting the middle part of it, just adding a little bit of brown. You can use brown, black, any dark color, some strokes going outside and just some points to it. Okay, so just वो थोड़ा सा it will highlight the middle part of it. Now I'm just softening some of the edges because I don't like the hard edges that much, so I'm just softening it. It will also fill the whole composition a bit. Okay, just softening some of the edges and some random strokes here and there. I'm using a different green, using a little light and bright green. Okay, अगर आपने पहली leaves light color से बनाई तो use the darker one. Okay, now I'm just adding some lights to my petals, some lines to my petals. So just to highlight that कि okay, this is the petal, this is the shape of the petal. तो थोड़ी थोड़ी lines इधर उधर कर रहे हैं. It's not a hard and fast rule. अगर आपको loose पसंद है, you can keep it loose. If you like to highlight, I like to add some lines to my work, so I'm adding some lines to it. Okay, just वो highlight भी कर रहा है सारी petals को, keeping it loose and tight as well at the same time. Doing the same thing for the purple one also. आप इसमें थोड़ा और देख सकते हैं कि लूज से जब मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा शेप दिया तो वो कितना निखर के आ रहा है. It's coming more beautifully. Okay, so So you can do that. You can also not do that if you don't feel like doing it, because हमारी painting है, so it's our rule. We paint it the way we want to. Okay, you can do both ways. Okay, just highlighting the center part, adding a little bit of dots. Okay, just to highlight that, and some splatter, because without splatter no painting is ever completed. Splatter the magic. Okay, and you need to sign about it. How would people know that you have painted this? So you have to give it a sign. Okay, and here we are, it's done. I hope you like this, and just try this with your kids, friends, and share with your family members. Thank you for watching. We'll come back again with new tutorial. Bye.